My Naija people, I don bring una ogbonge pidgin news story. And today I wan yarn una the meaning of the red dot wey dey for under people their forehead. The red dot wey dey for under people their forehead, dem dey call am binding. And the meaning na on point. Na sign of religion, social cause, and marriage status. Binding wey dey in between the eyebrow means good luck, and it represent third eye or the spiritual side. Dem dey do binding for red powder wey dem dey call sindoor, traditional made from powder, turmeric, and fresh lime juice. Red binding na sign of marriage, while the black binding dem dey wear am before marriage to remove evil eye, but young girls fit wear any color. According to Hindu culture, dem get plenty energy for body wey dem dey call chakras, and among them na ajna, the 6 primary chakras wey dem dey put in between the eyebrow. Dem know am as ajna, and dem still know am as third eye. According to their scripture, to meditate on top ajna dey help human soul to see wetin ordinary eye no fit see. E dey help them dey get higher level of spiritual conscience. And once they get the wisdom from the third eye, their thinking and action go must dey clean to lead the making of better human beings. And e dey help them to make better people for inside the community. Indian women dey wear ajna as protection covering and sign of respect. This na Pidgin News Network with the Yarn Pidgin English, and na me Nehi na him bring una this story.